channel, and today I am playing Roblox on computer. This is my first time. Actually, this is the second time. There's this friend of mine. He has one brother, one sister. They're small. His name is Vihpi. I played on his computer before. It was a little different than this one, but this is my first time like actually playing on my own computer. So laptop actually. So this is really cool. These things like go around, and this goes forward and backwards. And this one I just used to do stuff, I think. And in this car button, I can pick a car. I want a horse. And then if you turn here, I have a horsey. I press on the horsey. I'm riding the horsey. I can also name the horsey. What shall I name the horsey? I'm gonna name you Pony. Because I don't know what to name it. It's hard to name actually. Wait. White, green, white. Okay. Here's my horse, Pony. So this is my first time playing on a computer. My friend says it's easier to play on the laptop or computer than on the phone. So I want to experience this and see how easy it is. Cause all of my friends, well, almost all of my friends, some of my friends play on tablets, I think. But mostly all my friends play on computer. For example, Disney, Shiwa plays on tablet. Who else? Yeah, Design also plays Roblox. Yada and Kitty just downloaded Roblox because she wanted to try out. Her favorite game in Roblox is Number Blocks. Because in Number Blocks you could change into numbers and do math questions. So yeah, this experience is really weird because like I haven't got used to playing on laptop. So this is really cool. I usually play on what do you call it? Phone. I usually play on the phone. That's why it's a little different for me. I'm going to kind of play a little bit more on the laptop so I can get used to playing on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so when you download Roblox on the laptop, first you for me, I went to Chrome and I searched Roblox, but I couldn't join in because I didn't have the Roblox app. I needed to install it. So when you install it, please ask your parents to help you because it might be hard installing it, and because it's kind of what do you call it? Except for the test part, like for example, which one is the grape? And then I just picked the grape one because it's obvious. And so thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Goodbye.